Hi guys, welcome to Style Me Up with Sakshi. So, as most of you guys would know if you're following me on all of my social media, that I've been talking about something special that is about to happen. And I know most of you are confused about the SMU teaser and what really is SMU. And I'm going to be revealing it right now. So, here it is. Since quite a long time, since quite a few months, I've been working on something really special. I've always wanted to open my own online fashion store, and this is it. I am delighted to finally tell you that SMU stands for Style Me Up, the shop, and it is not just like any other online portal shop that you see on Instagram and Facebook. I'm different because I'm bringing you the most affordable, the most fashionable jewelry, accessories, and clothes for you guys especially. I've also collaborated with a lot of my dear friends who are either bloggers or vloggers who very kindly agreed to help me and support me in my idea of bringing affordable fashion for you guys with real faces and real stories and real bodies attached to the clothes. So all of the people that you will see in the video wearing the products are just like you and me. They're no different. They're not models. They're either plump or thin or curvy or not so curvy or healthy, but just like you and me. So I want you guys to connect to the brand, to understand the brand and make it your own. Because this surely, and believe me you guys, this brand will understand you and it'll be completely and fully yours. With that being said, I have something really special planned just for you guys that you will be able to see at the end of the video. But before that, I proudly show you guys the products and faces of SMU.
Deja vu, the smell of your perfume. Remember, I remember 5-2, the day that I met you. Remember, I remember. Can I blow your mind like I did back when? Like I did back when. And can I take my time and we can do it all again? We can do it all again. I can't get enough of your love, baby. Your love, baby. I can't get enough of your love, baby. Your love, baby. Deja vu, we're on the avenue. Remember, I remember my hands on you. We snuck into the pool. Remember, I remember. Can I blow your mind like I did back when? Like I did back when. And can I take my time and we can do it all again? We can do it all again. I can't get enough of your love, baby. Your love, baby. I can't get enough of your love, baby. Your love, baby. Deja vu, the smell of your perfume. Remember, I remember. Deja vu, we're on the avenue. Remember, I remember. I can't get enough of your love, baby. Your love, baby. I can't get enough of your love, baby. Your love, baby. You make me say.
really hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Did you like it? I hope that you guys did, and it would mean the world to me. Trust me guys, it would mean the world to me if you guys support me in this venture. Also, Style Me Up with Sakshi has completed 1 year and we have gathered 3,000 friends, and I would love for more people to join this family. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Now coming on to a very special surprise that I have planned for you guys as my token of appreciation for all of you. I have a very special giveaway and discount coupons of SMU for few lucky winners of the family of Style Me Up with Sakshi. So 2 lucky winners will be getting a customized SMU gift box as part of the giveaway, and 2 other lucky winners will be getting 20% discount coupons so that you can shop till you drop from SMU. So the rules of the giveaway are: you have to subscribe to Style Me Up with Sakshi, that is very important. Secondly, you have to share this video on any of your social media and use the hashtag SMU giveaway. And thirdly, you have to like this video and also write in the comment section below so that you tell me that you have participated in the giveaway. Fifth, you have to follow pages of SMU the shop on Facebook and Instagram, and the links will be in the description box below. Also, all the rules of the giveaway will be in the description box below as well, so you don't have to worry and stress. And that's it. That is about it. And very important guys, all the links to the channels of all the YouTubers who have participated in this collaboration and bloggers who have participated in this collaboration will be in the description box below as well. They are fantastic. They're such lovely people, lovely ladies who have such a kind heart. I highly recommend you guys to check their channels. So the links will be in the description box below as well. Now, where exactly can you shop SMU from? SMU has its own Instagram and Facebook page where I'm working commercially. I am working on the website and it will be up shortly. Not shortly, but I'm working on it. I promise you it will be up someday, and that day is going to be soon. I hope. Fingers crossed. And now, how can you shop the products? All the details of how you can shop, the policies of the brand, everything will be mentioned on the page. So go follow the page. The links will be in the description box again. The giveaway is valid all over India. So even if you're from Bombay, even if you're from Hyderabad, Bangalore, Delhi, wherever in India, you are free to participate in the giveaway. I'm clearly very excited for it, and I hope that you guys really support me. This has been my dream, and it is honestly one of the most emotional things to bring it out to you guys, and it's just, you get the feels. I really hope that you guys do appreciate all the products, everything, the prices. I've worked really hard for it. I promise you guys that I will work the hardest and never let you down. With that being said, that's me, Sakshi, the founder of SMU, signing off. All the best to all the participants. I hope that you guys go check out the pages on Instagram and Facebook.